Hey everyone, how are you guys? Welcome to today's video. I am doing a plan with me and my Hobonichi Weeks for the week of, I have no idea, January 22nd to the 28th. So I am going to be using a sticker kit, and I have not used a kit like this before, but I figured out, you know what, why not? Let's do it. So this sticker kit is a really old kit from GP Studio, and I don't believe they are a shop anymore, but I believe they were made for maybe like a B6 vertical or something like that. The boxes are 1.5 inches wide, so you could actually use it for almost any vertical planner. And yeah, it's a mini kit, and I think it'll be perfect for the weeks. So we're gonna see how this goes. I'm not sure if it's gonna go well or not, but a bunch of shops offers small kits like this, but unfortunately the GP Studio has been closed for a few years. I'm just really trying to use up my stickers and my stash. I pulled in this washi tape, and since there was a lot of neutrals in here and there's a little bit of pink, I figured let's pull in this Simply Gilded pink with gold polka dot washi tape. So I have a 10mm and a 15mm, and then we have my usual custom scripts from OK Plans. I have a Tombow marker in 942 and my Sarasa Mark On pen in 0.5. So let's jump in. Again, January 22nd to the 28th. So I am trying to figure out if I want to use a little bit of the washi strips here. These are marbled washi strips, and I believe this is vinyl paper, so I'm going to need scissors. You know what? I think I really want to pull in a lot of this pink. So let's just start with the pink, shall we? Okay, so I'm going to use the 15mm on the bottom here, and we'll just do a little bit of that. Get my ruler here. How are you guys? What's up? What's new? I have been pretty well. This week was really interesting, I guess you can say. I don't know. I've been having like some off weeks. I am having like thoughts of changing things up in my life. And when I say changing things up, it's more so like work, career-wise, like what I'm doing. Ugh. This is really super sticky. But yeah, other than that, I've been doing great. My relationship is great. My relationship with my family is getting a lot better. I started therapy. I don't know if I mentioned that. Did I mention that in here? I think I probably did mention it. So I started therapy, and I've only had one session. I have my second session this week, which we will put in my plans. But I feel like just starting therapy has like changed my mindset a lot. I'm gonna do the 15 up here, I think. So yeah, I think that's really helped with just mentally, like things going on and whatnot. But this week has been good, or this past week I should say, but I am feeling, do you guys ever feel like lazy? Sometimes I feel like I'm being lazy and I could be doing more. I don't know. I just have these feelings sometimes, and I'm trying to work through that in therapy. All right, so that's the pink. And then I'm trying to figure out how many of these boxes I want to use, because last week my list was pretty short. Like I had so much room. All right, let's put in our lines because that's gonna stay pretty standard still. I got a comment about someone asking what pen do I use to keep my lines from smearing, because when she uses the ruler and like moves the ruler, it smears. Girl, I believe it's a she. I've had the same problem and I couldn't figure it out, but then I realized I just have to not completely swipe my ruler. I have to pick it up like vertically, because sometimes after you draw a line, and if you have like a really juicy pen, especially a gel pen, I like using gel pens, it's just what I'm used to, but sometimes if you draw a line and then you swipe it to the side, it's going to take some gel with it and smear it because it's so juicy. But if you enjoy a juicy pen, you can still use it, but just pick your ruler up vertically. So I'm gonna do the line here. So we're gonna draw a line like this, and then instead of moving your ruler to the side, pick it up. That way you get no smears. That's the only way I found to not get any smears. I'm gonna actually go in with Tombow marker here, pull in some of this tan color. Just gonna go all the way down. I could just do one line. I don't know why I'm skipping, but there we go. Since we have so much pink going on here, I pulled the neutral color. Then I was thinking, since we do our plans on this side and our to-do list on this side, we could actually use these little heart checklists all the way down, which I think would be really cool. But that makes me think that, hold on, we need 1, 2, 3 headers. I can use these 3, 1, 2, 3 for those. This one, where are my tweezers? Do I have my tweezers somewhere nearby? I've been like, kind of, here we go, all over the place. My tweezers are from Print Impression, if you're curious. I'm gonna use this little, oops, I can't pick this up, arrow here. And I'm gonna put that there for my highlight. Okay. Same person, I think, also asked if this was the same shop as OK Plans, OKY. It's not, it's different. This one's just OK Plans. The other shop, which I am familiar with, I've never purchased from that shop before, but that one is OKY Plans, Oki. So they're different, but both shops are great. I don't know if that other shop, Oki, has customs. She might, I'm not sure. Okay. You can't really see that flag, but that's fine. Oh, we have our to-do list too. All right, we have to pick one box. And I'm trying to figure out which one is my favorite. I really like the chair here. I do like this bedroom scene with like the pillows and the little artwork there. But this desk is cute too. Okay, there's lots of options. And there's so many boxes. I can definitely use this for other weeks. I'm leaning towards this one because it has a little bit of pink from the coffee cup. So let's take this. Should we center it? Try to get this down straight. All right, I like that. Our to-do header, right? Or we can put this week. That one's cute. I like that one because that's our little to-do list here. So let's put that right there, this week. And then we can go in with some of these checklists. Let's start with this color. Okay, I'm just going to unstick this a little bit. So sticky. I'm not sure how many checklists we'll need. Let's do the pink. Okay. These are so cute. I really like these. They're just perfect for how I use the Hobonichi Weeks. Like that. Oh wait, do I like that? I feel like it should be the same color. Can we get this up? Looking at it now, I'm like, does it look weird that it's 2 different colors? Kind of. All right, so let's put this back. We're just gonna use the same colored checklist because it matches a little bit better. I thought I was gonna be able to fit 3, but it looks like I'm only gonna be able to fit 2 perfectly. So, okay, I like that. So let's do this one. This pink one, and I will use these for our headers. So we'll put this, they're pretty big, but that's okay. And then what do? We do meals first. Yeah, they're a little bit big, but I think it'll be, I'll just center them. Meals. Okay, and then we're gonna do, oh, speaking of meals. So my boyfriend recently had a doctor's appointment and he has high cholesterol. So we're going to have to really do our best to change up his eating habits and snacking and all of that. So that is going to change up what our meals look like. We don't eat unhealthy, but you know, we can't do hot dogs and fries for our easy dinner. I mean, we could because we don't do it often, but it's just not ideal. So we definitely have to change that up. Cooking more of a Mediterranean diet is recommended. So if you guys have any experience with the Mediterranean diet, let me know, because I'm kind of scared, because I feel like it's hard in general to think of meals like every week for dinners to make. And now I have to really, you know, knuckle down and pick out meals that are Mediterranean diet friendly, which I know it's good for me as well. It's going to help me with my weight loss journey, but I don't know. Change is hard. Do our habits. Try to center that. I think this looks really cute so far. AM skin, PM skin, vitamins, workout. Last week I kind of slacked a little bit. Well, last week we had a lot of snow. Did you guys get any snow? Because we had like 2 snow days in the same week. So I had Pilates canceled here and here. I never crossed that out. Yeah, Tuesday and Friday was canceled. I was like, no, what am I gonna do? It's been such like a part of my routine. So it throws me off when I don't go to Pilates. And y'all, it's taking me a long time to find a workout that I enjoy. So when it gets thrown off like that, I get all weird. I'm gonna take this last skinny label here and put that right here. And that is going to be our mood. Last week was a pretty good week. I think I had 1 down day. Let's check. Oh no, it was all pretty average. It was all pretty high, which is always a good thing. Okay. And then I'm gonna draw our table. So we'll do, what is it? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. All right, I'm gonna do some of these vertical lines while those dry. Oh, I didn't realize. I guess I have to do it here. So that's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. All right. What else, y'all? Did I tell you guys I'm going on vacation? I'm going to Mexico soon. I'm really, really excited about it. And I've been trying to pack for it, you know, set up outfits, all of that. See what I need to still buy and whatnot. So that's been interesting. Just trying to figure out outfits is a whole thing. Okay. Oh, I actually really like the spacing with these headers because it goes all the way to the end, which is nice. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Let's see what else we can use from this kit here. Oh my gosh, I have things everywhere. All right, I think I'm gonna use these dots down here for Pilates. You guys know I do Pilates several times a week. So since we have a bunch of these little dots, we're gonna do that. Let me get my schedule. Okay, put that at the top. And I'm just going to alternate these colors. We're doing Tuesday, okay. We're not doing Wednesday because I have my cleaning lady coming that day. So we are doing Thursday. Oh, okay. Thursday, Friday, right, and Saturday. I do like to give myself a rest day on Sundays, which is why I don't work out on Sundays, but So yeah, I'm going 5 days this week. So Monday we're going at, what time? 8 o'clock at 8 a.m. So that's Pilates. I don't honestly think I don't have any plans. A bunch of my plans got canceled for this week. So, oh, I have therapy and my cleaning lady. So let's see if we have any icons here we can use. Let's do cleaning. There has to be a cleaning sticker. Laundry. Oh, there it is. Okay, there's like a little cleaning bucket. So we're going to use the cleaning bucket, and that is for Wednesday. So I'm gonna put Ula, which is our cleaning lady. She's so sweet, love her. And I have to remember to cancel, which I'll put in my to-do list. We're going away to Mexico, so I have to cancel that week that we're in Mexico with her. So hopefully I remember to tell her that. And then I have therapy, which should we just use this little push pin, I think. So we'll do the push pin, and that is for Thursday. This is so big though. I don't really love that because it's a little too big for the weeks. So let's just use the alarm clock. It's totally fine. Put that for, I'll put it on the same side, that's fine. And that's at 2:30 p.m. Okay, perfect. So let's go in and write in my to-do list and meals for the week. This is the final look for this week. I actually really like it. It's pretty simple, but I'm glad I got to use some of the stickers in this sticker kit. I have so many stickers left, so we are definitely going to be able to use this again for another weekly. Let me know what you guys think. I think it's a great balance of stickers and like washi tape. But yeah, I think it's really cute, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Let me know what you guys are loving in your Hobonichi Weeks, what you love planning in it. And again, what sticker shops are your favorites for the Hobonichi Weeks, and the cousin actually. I kind of want to get into more stickers, but I'm glad I'm using up what I have. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.